Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on NUBIA Focus Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Then click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can here set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now again. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Microsoft Edge browser is installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.